Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable lecturer, examiner, and supervisor. My name is Andi Nuril Basri from Master of Management Program at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Today, I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled ESG Implementation Strategy in Supporting Energy Transition as a case study of Indonesia oil and gas companies. Currently, the global energy industry is experiencing major change due to energy transition and the growing focus on sustainability. Oil and gas companies are now expected not only to maintain business performance, but also to implement ESG practice. The pressure come to from regulator and investor, society, and global communicate toward not zero emission. However, ESG implementation still face several challenges such as a high transformation cost and then technological limitation and then accurately in energy transition. Most previous studies only discuss as a component or sustainability responding. Therefore, this research focus on how ESG can become a strategic tool to support energy transition and improve strategic resilience in Indonesia oil and gas company. And then literature review. The main theory use a stakeholder theory, which explain the companies need to consider the interests of stakeholders such as investor, government, communities, and environmental. This research also use supporting theory, including institutional theory, result-based view, and then dynamic capability theory, and then legitimacy theory. In this study, ESG is divided into third dimension. Environmental, focus on emission reduction and energy efficiency, and then social, focus on exploitation, safety, and community development, and then governance, focus of transparency, corporate governance, and risk management. Their theories are used to explain the relationship between ESG implementation, energy transition, and strategic resilience. And then research framework. The study begin with with global energy transition pressure, such as climate change, decarbonization policy, and investor demand regarding ESG. Their pressure encourage oil and gas company to implementation ESG strategies. However, companies still face internal and external challenges. To deal with the challenge, company needs strategy adaptive capability. There are three process. First, sensing, and then seizing, and then reconfiguration. So, three process ESG is expected to strengthen the strategic resilience of oil and gas company. Research method. The studies use qualitative approach as the main method with each method analyzed, and then the research design use a multiple case study, data collection in concrete thought in the interviewer, and then a document analyze, and the last AHP questionnaire. For the data analysis, the study use thematic analysis and analyze hierarchy process or AHP. The expect output of this research is to develop adaptive and release ESG implementation strategy for Indonesian oil and gas company. The closes my thesis process presentation. Thank you for much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.